So here we are at this park. It's a beautiful sunset here at this park. This is called the Spring Park. We're gonna come over here to find a geocache. I was just wanted to know what this park is like, and then we're gonna go find a geocache. Now I'm gonna walk around this trail. We're 430 feet away from the cache. So now we just have to pause this. People out fishing on this pond. I wonder what this sign says. It says the green heron. So that's what it says. Let's continue around this pond. This park is being developed, I guess. This is actually the first time that I'm using a GoPro to do a video, so it'll be interesting to see how this actually turns out. So now I'm 242 feet, 236 feet, so I'm getting closer to the cache. So it's beautiful and sunset today, this evening. Okay. I wonder what this sign says. It talks about the mallard ducks. That's interesting. There's a bench. There's some ducks over here. There's some doves right there. There goes the doves. And the ducks all get into the water as I'm getting closer to them. The hint says rusty, so I don't know what that refers to until I get up to it. Right now I'm about 33 feet away. Oh, you know what? It's probably right here. Probably somewhere by that frame at the foot. I don't see anything up there. I don't like the way they have this tree here. I'm gonna pause this and see if I could, how do you pause it though? So it says something about rusty is the hint, so it might need to, it might be somewhere down there by that frame thing.
Oh, that drain thing?
That frame. So it's probably Might need to look
On the
underneath.
other side, man.
It's a small. So we're looking for a small size container.
This is it.
What?
What things is it? So it's got writing on it.
Oh, you want to pick it up then? So that's it?
Yeah, that's a little water bottle.
Oh, okay. That's not hidden very well. Interesting.
That's because no one hid it.
Alright, so open it up.
See, you can tell because do not removed all of that.
Alright, open it up.
So, this is an interesting cache location. It was in a weird looking so-called water bottle, which is didn't amount to very much.
True. So are you pointing it up towards me or what?
You can see, yeah. And now we're like over by this little pond, and you can see the little pond and people around it, and there's like a little trail that goes around it. So what do you think of this pond, babe?
Interesting pond. So we were able to log the cache and find on CGO, the app that I have on my phone. So now it's found. So now we're gonna be walking back towards the truck, and we're going the other direction along the trail. So catch you later. As we're walking around here, there's some swans right here. Smile for the camera, swans. They're going, oh man, don't take pictures of us. Yep. Sweet diggity dog.